Good morning friends. I am going to give you a demonstration on how the OptiBlend kit works. First of all, let us understand what is an OptiBlend kit. The OptiBlend kit is a dual fuel kit which can be installed on any 4-stroke high-speed diesel generator to displace 50 to 70% diesel with natural gas. Other alternative fuels like waste gas, syngas, biogas can also be used. The purpose of the OptiBlend kit is to give you a cheaper and a cleaner operation. The panel you see here is a demonstration control panel which is specifically made to understand the working of OptiBlend kit installed on a diesel generator. Let us assume that this control panel is of a OptiBlend kit installed on a Cummins 500 kVA single turbo diesel generator. During commissioning of OptiBlend kit, our engineers study the engine behavior and response at various loads in diesel and dual fuel mode and tune the engine across the entire load range for optimized gas flow at various loads without compromising engine performance and safety, and also keeping in mind adequate engine damage protection. Now let us first understand the indicators and the switches on this panel. The first indicator is the PLC on indicator. It indicates that the panel is powered up and is ready to work. The second indicator is the dual fuel enable indicator, which if on indicates that the diesel generator is working on dual fuel mode and the engine load is in range. The range means the upper and the lower threshold limit set by our engineers during commissioning based on the customer's requirement. The third indicator is the solenoid energize indicator, which if on indicates that the gas is being injected in the diesel generator. The HMI screen you see here displays the real-time values of the 4 parameters. The first is engine load, vibrations, frequency and exhaust gas temperature. These parameters are the most important ones and are used to take feedback so as to control the opening of throttle valve. Throttle valve is the gas control valve which controls the flow of gas getting injected in the diesel generator after getting feedback from these field parameters. The position of the throttle valve is displayed here in the percentage opening. The toggle switch you see here is used to move the diesel engine to run on either HSD mode or dual fuel mode. The emergency shutdown button can be used to cut off the power supply to the kit in case of an emergency. Now let us understand the working of OptiBlend kit by manipulating the parameters. Now as you can see, we can consider the DG has started and it has currently the load of 15%, the vibration is 0.3, frequency is 50 Hz and temperature, exhaust gas temperature is 307 or 309 degree, whatever is the condition at that moment. Now as we increase the load further and it crosses the lower threshold limit, which is set as 20%, you can see this two indicators, dual fuel enable and solenoid energize indicator has turned on. This means that the kit has started injecting gas in the cylinder, in the generator. The throttle position can be viewed here and also the same can be verified actually from the gas control valve displayed here. Now as the load increases or decreases, the throttle position you can see varies accordingly. As the load now crosses the higher threshold limit, the upper threshold limit, or if there is a jerk load on the generator, high load alarm shall be displayed on this screen. and system will start reducing gas in the generator. Now once the load is in range again, the kit will automatically move to its normal mode and start injecting gas based on the current load. There are two safety levels provided here for all the parameters. One is high-low limit and another is high-high limit. High or low limit if reached, the HMI displays a high-low alarm and our system reduces the gas intake to the generator. But if high-high limit of any parameter is reached and crossed, the HMI screen displays high-high alarm of the parameter exceeded, turns the screen red and stops the gas intake to the generator, changing the throttle position to 0. This means that the system needs immediate attention and correction of the parameter which has exceeded its limits. Let us have the real-time feeling of this situation. Now as you can see, the frequency currently is 50 Hz. Now which is a normal working frequency. If we reduce the frequency to 45 Hz, the frequency high-low alarm will be displayed and throttle position reduces. Now you can take another situation where the frequency increases above 50 Hz and it crosses the upper limit of 53 Hz. Again a high-low alarm will be displayed on the system, on the screen, and system will reduce gas intake. Once the frequency crosses high limit, which is set here as 55 Hz, you can see the screen turns red and displays a frequency high alarm and the throttle position is now 0, which means that the system has stopped injecting gas in the diesel generator. To move the system back to its normal position, this toggle switch has to be used and it has to be moved to HSD mode and then again to dual fuel mode. Now same is the case in the exhaust gas temperature, but the case is different for engine vibrations. As you are aware, engine vibrations are different at different loads. So for different loads, different high limits of vibration are set and gives a high alarm if it exceeds the limit. But there is only one high limit in this case too, which behaves similarly like in case of other parameters where the system stops supplying gas to DG and has to be attended immediately. Now this concludes to the demonstration of working of OptiBlend kit. From this demonstration it is clear that our OptiBlend kit is a fully automatic and foolproof system with inbuilt safety systems to take care of your engine in both normal and extreme conditions and give you an optimized gas flow and displacement in the entire load range. Thank you.